Rotator cuff is 4 different muscles and tendons in the body, and those wrap all the way around your shoulder, and they're responsible for mainly 3 different functions of the shoulder. One is forward flexion, one is internal rotation, and one is external rotation. So when someone tears the rotator cuff, it can be one of those tendons, it could be 2 of those tendons, it could be 3 tendons, but almost rarely is it 4 tendons. Rotator cuff repair is an arthroscopic surgery, so you will have, typically you're going to have 4 incisions that are about this big. We're going to have one here, one here, one here, and then one in the back of the shoulder. Rotator cuff repair, the way that we go about fixing the rotator cuff, essentially we have to reattach the rotator cuff tendon from the bone. When you tear your rotator cuff, in general what happens is the tendon pulls off the bone. Once the tendon is no longer attached to the bone, the only way to fix that is to surgically repair it. So through those 4 little incisions, we are going to put suture through the rotator cuff, and then we're going to attach that to implants. Think of it as kind of a mini screw that has suture attached to it. So we'll attach suture to your rotator cuff, and then those will be attached to the bone through these little, what we call suture anchors. Those suture anchors are not permanent. They're called biocomposite. Typically within 4 to 5 years, those will be replaced by bone.